this video, we'll show you how to pair the WVOS2TX with a wired camera. Start by applying 12-volt power to the transmitter. You should see a red light, confirming it's powered on. Then, plug in your camera. Next, open your phone's Wi-Fi settings and look for the WVOS2TX network. It will match the part number on the unit. Connect to that network using the password 12345678. Once connected, scan the QR code on the unit to download the app. If the app shows no signal, double-check that your phone is still connected to the WVOS2TX network. Once connected properly, the camera feed should appear.